Industry certifications from the National Institute of Metalworking Skills await students who enroll in the Machining Technologies program. This program is 1,500 hours, and over the course of 15 months, students will gain the skills needed to work as a machinist, computer numerically controlled programmer operator, and an electrical discharge machine programmer operator. This program is furnished with industry specific equipment, allowing students several hours of hands on experience with lathes, mills, electrical discharge machines, and CNC machines. If you are ready to begin your future as a machinist or toolmaker, contact Pinellas Technical College at myptc.edu.